How to change font size on Telegram. Do you guys want to change your font size on Telegram? If that's so, then this video might help you out. First of all, open Telegram on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see the setting icon. Click on it. Now scroll down and click on appearance. Once you click on appearance, now you can see the option for text size over here. Click on it. Once you click on it, now turn off the use system size over here. Once you turn it off, now drag it to the left side to make your text size small. If you want to make your text size bigger, then move it to the right side. Once you select it, now simply tap on set. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna change the font size or text size on Telegram. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.